In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Afterpay at checkout. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to use Afterpay to buy now, pay later, either online or in-store shopping. So first, the primary function of Afterpay, like I said, is going to be buy now, pay later, and this is mostly going to be done in online stores or retailers. So to start, download the latest version of their mobile app. In there, you will be able to browse through all of the eligible stores or retailers in your location. These are going to switch periodically, and you can always find the most up-to-date stores by opening the latest version of their mobile app. So, when you browse through all of the stores and you find one that you want to use Afterpay on, all that you have to do is tap on it. As long as you are signed in with an account good to go, you will be redirected into that specific store's website or app, and then you can browse through all of the items available in there. You can add items to your basket or cart and then proceed to checkout. So add anything that you would like to purchase using Afterpay to your cart according to your available spending or purchasing power and proceed to checkout. Usually, when you reach checkout, either one of two things is going to happen. There is going to be a pop-up of Afterpay asking you to set up a one-time use card for the specific store that you chose, or you will be able to tap Afterpay as one of the default payment methods. This is going to differ on a per-store basis, so either choose Afterpay directly as the payment method, or follow the on-screen instructions to set up a one-time use virtual card for the store that you selected. Regardless of which option you pick, you just have to proceed, and eventually you will be able to have the installment plans added into your Afterpay account and the item purchased. Alternatively, if you want to use it in store, instead of choosing a specific store from the mobile app, you will have to add your Afterpay card to a mobile or digital wallet such as the Apple Wallet, Google Wallet, or Samsung Wallet, and then use the NFC capabilities to pay with your phone by placing it near the card reader. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Afterpay at checkout. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.